In this video, we will explore the use of sex-related medications, particularly focusing on Viagra and tedafill. The speaker mentions that these medications, belonging to the class of PDE5 inhibitors, are widely available over the counter. They explain how these drugs work by inhibiting the PDE5 enzyme, which normally breaks down cyclic GMP in the body. These medications help by promoting the dilation of blood vessels, allowing more blood flow to the penis during sexual arousal. By inhibiting PDE5, they prevent the breakdown of cyclic GMP, a chemical that plays a role in achieving and maintaining an erection. Drugs like sildenafil citrate Viagra and tedafill as examples of PDE5 inhibitors. They discuss the benefits of these medications in increasing blood flow, widening blood vessels, and enhancing overall sexual performance. Drugs like Levitra and Wonderfil, stating that while they are available globally, they may be less common in India. The benefits of these drugs are attributed to their ability to widen blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow into the penis. It is important to note that the video primarily focuses on the mechanism of action and benefits of these medications and does not provide detailed information on potential side effects or contraindications. It is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before using any medication. Your penis will not be free from tension strength. It should be understood that RN will be strong and longer. One more thing. Let me tell you some information. It will feel good that these medicines were not made for tension in the penis. These medicines were created by scientists not for tension, but for working on the engine, above the hot paint, and above the blood pressure. Above high blood pressure, so in this study, when they gave these medicines to their patients during heart pain, who were high blood pressure patients, it was found that tension in their penis started automatically. So those people thought, what is happening here? If we also do it this way? When they went into more detail, they found that this also has benefit. Understand that it was accidentally discovered. These medicines were made for something else. When applied in this way, if you feel good, then you need to understand. It's a small thing in my mind. I've told you during the video. So we were talking about Viagra and the price of $1. And these medicines enhance blood supply in the penis, which increases the tension of your penis. After a few minutes, your penis tension starts extra after 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 8 minutes. After a few minutes, your penis tension starts to be extra, and you get a good erection. But now, is it a solution for erectile dysfunction? Understand? Is your erection good now? But is this a permanent solution? Erectile dysfunction occurred until the correct cords Iwane is taken and its correct treatment is not done. But mind you, no permanent solution will be found. These medicines can give you temporary relief, and are giving relief, and really a lot. Good work too, right? It gives hope to a man immediately wakes him up from his worries, ends the distress of a troubled man, and gives him an erection. But this is not a permanent solution. The permanent solution will be the one that eliminates the disease's cause. So, let's move on. When these medicines open the blood supply, the tension of the penis becomes strong, so it is used for this purpose, and it is over-the-counter available. The biggest problem is that everyone's approach is different. It means that every man, whether he is a child whose age is still less and who doesn't know anything about his body, buys it in between and eats it, and another sick man who is of any age buys it in between and eats it. This is where the danger of these medicines lies. I divide the side effects of these medicines into two categories. Why am I telling about the side effects? I have told about the benefits first. It works instantly, is very beneficial, but I am staying on the side of harm now because of the way it is being used. These medicines have dangerous side effects. I break down the side effects into two categories. First, Common side effects that come during a certain period and then disappear. They are not very serious. These include headache, heavy feeling in the head, restlessness and shame. The second is body pain. Pain in the legs, in the genitals, in the hands, in the waist. After taking these. The third is when it will stop, like cold symptoms. The nose gets stuffed, the head becomes heavy. The button keeps falling. Such side effects can occur, and the fourth is its side effect of seeing a problem. This is a side effect of it. It can come inside, and the fourth is its side effect of seeing a problem. This is its side effect. If it doesn't get better after a while, then you should consult your doctor immediately. Now, I want to tell you about some dangerous side effects of these medicines. Let me make it clear first that the dangerous side effects of these medicines come because the tendency of this medicine is to bring minor side effects. The reason behind this is that the tendency of this medicine is to bring minor side effects. Now, let me tell you why these dangerous side effects come from these medicines. One is that this medicine has a tendency to bring minor side effects, and the second the approach of using it, which is dangerous. There are two major side effects of these medicines. The first is that there is a tendency to bring minor side effects of this medicine for some time. And the fourth is its side effect of seeing a problem. This is its side effect. If it doesn't get better after a while, then you should consult your doctor immediately. Now, I want to tell you about some dangerous side effects of these medicines. Let me make it clear first that the dangerous side effects of these medicines come because the tendency of this medicine is to bring minor side effects. Now, let me tell you why these dangerous side effects come from these medicines. One is that this medicine has a tendency to bring minor side effects, and the second is the approach of using it, which is dangerous.